மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு பள்ளி கல்வித்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கிறோம்.
அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்து, திருக்குறள் நன்றிக்கு வித்தாகும் நல்லொழுக்கம் தீயொழுக்கம் என்றும் இடும்பை தரும் என்கின்ற ஐயன் வள்ளுவனுடைய குரலுக்கு நமது நெஞ்சமெல்லாம் நிறைந்திருக்கின்ற முத்தமிழறிஞர் கலைஞர்களுடைய உரை என்பது, நல்லொழுக்கம் வாழ்க்கையில் நன்மைக்கு வித்தாக அமையும், தீயொழுக்கம் தீராத துன்பம் தரும் என்கின்ற அந்த விளக்க உரைக்கு the English translation for this couplet: good conduct is the seed in virtue's field, wicked conduct's harvest is never ending pain என்கின்ற அந்த விளக்க உரையோடு the chief guest for this function, president of this jamboree, who is going to inaugurate this jamboree, our honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Udayanithi Stalin. He not only represents the youth of Tamil Nadu, sometimes the youth of India with his powerful words. We welcome our honorable Deputy Chief Minister for this event, and our National President, my very respectful friend Dr. Anil Kumar Jain and Madam, and Chief National Commissioner Dr. K. Kandalwal, and the ministers, honorable ministers present on the dais, our honorable Minister for Municipal Administration, a man of action who ensures the safety and basic amenities for the students who is going to stay here for another 7 days, our honorable Minister Annan K. Nehru avargal, and our honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare Annan Mas Subramanian avargal, who ensures the health and safety of the students here, and our honorable Minister for Transport Annan Sivashankar avargal, who has arranged the transport facilities for all the students and for the other dignitaries from different parts of country, and my friend Member of Parliament Durai Vaiko avargal, my friend Member of Parliament Jyoti Mani, and our chairman of this jamboree, our very young and vibrant collector Mr. Pradeep Kumar IAS, and all the other government officials, and our very respectful member of legislative assemblies Annan Soundra Pandian, Annan Palniyandi, Annan Abdul Samad, my brother Mutturaja, and our jamboree coordinators Kannappan sir, Palanisamy sir, Nagaraj Murugan sir, our CEO Madam Krishna Priya, and jamboree organizer Amar Chetri, and very importantly our school secretary Madam Madhumati Madam, and all the IAS officers who involved in the grand success of this event, and all the directors and joint directors, CEOs, DEOs and teachers, and all other dignitaries who are the part and parcel of this Bharat Scouts and Guides. Tamil Nadu is the land of ancient civilization, heritage, peace and boundless love. I warmly welcome all our brothers and sisters who have come to Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu have excelled not only in culture but also in science and technology. Recently, our Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin proudly declared to the world, supported by scientific evidence, that the usage of iron was prevalent in Tamil Nadu as early as 5,600 years ago. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you who have honored this great and proud land with your esteemed presence. At this moment, I fondly remember our transformative leaders, Thandai Periyar, the trailblazing reformer, and Perarinyar Anna, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and founder of the DMK, whose principles and ideologies have shaped us into what we are today. Muthamizhar Kalaignar, the architect of modern Tamil Nadu, magnificently organized the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Following his legacy and the path he laid, our Honorable Chief Minister is providing all the necessary support and encouragement for this Diamond Jubilee event. On behalf of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Tamil Nadu, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister. It is a matter of great pride to announce that Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer not only in culture and science and technology, but also in the service of Scouts and Guides. The Scouting movement was founded by Lord Baden-Powell in 1907 in England. While it spread gradually across the world, Tamil Nadu embraced the Scouting movement as early as 1919, much earlier than in many other parts. It was first started in a school in the Sivaganga district. Subsequently, Scout movements were established and began operating at the regional level in various parts of Tamil Nadu. Many people enthusiastically joined this movement and started serving with great dedication. In 1929, Tamil Nadu Scouts participated in the World Jamboree held at Birkenhead Aero Park in London. This demonstrates the deep commitment and dedication Tamil Nadu has shown toward the Scouting movement. The founder of the movement, Lord Baden-Powell, authored the book Scouting for Boys and distributed it widely. This book was translated into all major Indian languages, but it had not been translated into Tamil. It was during the chief ministership of Muthamlarinyar Kalaignar that a Tamil translation of the book Scouting for Boys was undertaken. In 1973, under the title Siruvar Saraniyam, Thiru T.V. Neelagandam translated the book into Tamil, marking a significant milestone in making Scouting accessible to Tamil-speaking children. Muthamlarinyar Kalaignar organized the Golden Jubilee of the Bharat Scouts and Guides in Tamil Nadu on a grand scale. The event was held in Chennai under the leadership of the then Education Minister Perasriyar K. Anbalagan. Muthamlarinyar Kalaignar ensured that the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Scouting movement were conducted in a manner that captured the attention of the entire nation. As a continuation of the historic legacy, the present Dravidian model government is organizing this Diamond Jubilee event. We are continuously working to ensure the safety and security of everyone attending. Lord Baden-Powell once said, wherever Scouts go, they should never forget to carry two things, a Scout stave and a smile. We have used our staves to set up the tents here and are eagerly waiting to serve you all with our smiles. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister who continues to inspire and support us, and to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, the chief guest of this event, and to all the senior pioneers of the Scouting movement. I once again welcome our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka and our Honorable, very respectful Speaker of Karnataka and the descendant of Lord Baden-Powell, and our directors who involved in this one, especially our Chief Commissioner Arivoli sir and our Naresh and other directors and joint directors. Thank you once again all, and I once again welcome and I thank our chief guest, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, for accepting this invitation, and really on his presence, this is going to be one of very successful Diamond Jubilee, one of the very successful Muthamlarinyar Kalaignar Jamboree in the history of Scouts and Guides. Thank you.